Hey there, my name is Crystal Jones and I'm a student at Full Sail University. This is my final project for Concepts in Photography. What we had to do is recreate a photographer's photo concept. So this is Joe Robinson and that's what I'm going to attempt to do. So let's dive in. Step one, I obviously had to take the photos to use for this project. I started off using my kitchen counter for the book fort and actually had a tea light in the books. Doing that on the counter, I really liked the angle that I was able to get, inside of the books. Then I had my 12-year-old help me take photos. I just got off of work from working overtime this weekend, so you know what? It is what it is. Hey, if you can't accept me at my worst, you don't deserve me at my best, right? So what you see here now is that I'm using the pen tool. I really like the pen tool. I like to work in paths because if I make a mistake, I can always go back into the paths and move that anchor point. So always use the pen tool when you can, especially for professional projects and stuff like that. As you can see, the photo, I would have really liked to have taken that photo at night so I don't have that harsh highlight that you see me trying to get rid of right now. And I'm doing that by creating a clipping mask of 50% gray and using the dodge and burn tool to really, cast harsh shadows and create those harsh highlights as well, like it would be reflecting from off the tea light candle. So I'm pretty happy with how that turned out, but you also see that I have a shadow clipping mask to obviously I would have a shadow cast from the tea light. And if I could mention, that is the Game of Thrones book that I am reading. Let's see here. So let's make the glow inside of the book. I wanted to make that a little bit more dramatic. And so what I'm doing now is replacing the paper on the floor. I didn't like the original photo, how blurred and stuff it turned out. So here is some photos that I took of just the paper laying down from a book. And I'm just creating like that natural glow and adjusting the exposures and stuff like that to create that dark atmospheres, its surroundings. I'm also adding noise to some of my photos and using the clipping mask for myself and the papers. The original photo it was a little bit noisy, so I'm still learning on my photo settings, forgive me. But at the end, I did use the photo filter to kind of adjust all of that, and you'll see that in the final photo. But so here I am just adjusting certain layers, and definitely wanted to put that photo filter at the end so it has a cohesive look. And here is my attempt at Joe Robinson's book fort. I had a lot of fun on this project, and I hope you had fun watching the video.